The Fluke 115 digital multimeter is an essential tool for any electrician or electronics enthusiast. With its compact design and durable build, this multimeter offers a range of features that make it a reliable and versatile device. Let's dive into its capabilities. First and foremost, it excels in measuring AC and DC voltage with a maximum range of 600 volts. This is particularly useful when working with various electrical systems and components. Additionally, its ability to measure current up to 10 amperes is impressive, allowing for accurate readings in both low and high current scenarios. One of the standout features of the Fluke 115 is its resistance measurement function. It provides precise readings, ensuring you can identify potential issues with wiring or components. The continuity test function is another valuable asset, helping to quickly locate breaks or faults in circuits. Furthermore, this multimeter doesn't stop at the basics. It also measures frequency and capacitance, expanding its utility for a wide range of applications. The inclusion of a battery, holster, and PVC-insulated test leads ensures you have everything you need to get started right out of the box. In terms of usability, the Fluke 115 is a breeze to operate. The large, backlit display ensures clear visibility, even in low-light conditions. The buttons are well-spaced and responsive, making it easy to navigate through the various measurement modes. Overall, the Fluke 115 digital multimeter is a best-in-class tool that offers exceptional performance, durability, and ease of use. Whether you're a professional electrician or a hobbyist, this multimeter will become an indispensable part of your toolkit. With its accurate readings and comprehensive features, it's a smart investment for anyone working with electrical systems.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.